Okay, so the Cajuns are very much about seafood. They're on the Gulf of Mexico. Louisiana's on the Gulf of Mexico. They've got a lot of bayous and inland water. Very much about seafood. And let's talk about the two ends of the spectrum. This is a seafood boil. It's a water-soluble powder, and the more you put in, the hotter it's going to be. The first time I did it, I overdid it for me. I did blue swimmers, and boy, were they hot. The next time I put a little, not quite enough. Beautiful flavour, but I could have used a little more punch. So I got used to it, and now it just makes a beautiful meal. Typically, you'd be using shellfish with this. You'd put in potato, corn, bit of onion just to thicken up the water, put in this, and then when it's boiling, put your seafood in. At the other end, very mild flavour. It's a corn-based coating. It looks like a crumb, but it's not a crumb, it is corn, there's no crumbs in there. And what you do is you simply wash the fish, pat this onto it, and then cook it in shallow oil or butter, and it gives the fish a beautiful golden crisp outside. It's very, very popular. All the products from Louisiana, or all these products from Louisiana, are really suitable for seafood. These particularly, but the other sauces and spices you can use with steaks and vegetables, etc. That's seafood.